Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see about how to install Wonder CMS on Linux Mint 20. Wonder CMS is a free and open source content management system. It is one of the smallest flat file CMS for building websites. You can add and change content by using the in-page editing function. In this tutorial, we will see the installation of Wonder CMS on Linux Mint 20. First, I am going to check the version of Linux Mint. My Linux Mint version is 20. Before I am download the Wonder CMS package, now I am going to install Apache. Apache service is installed. Now I am going to start the Apache service. Now check the status of Apache service. The status is active. Now install the MariaDB server. MariaDB server is installed. Once the MariaDB service is installed, now create a credential of MariaDB. Set new password. The credential is created. Now start the MariaDB service. Now check the status of MariaDB service. The status is active. Now install the PHP and its models. The PHP is installed. Now download the Wonder CMS package by using wget command. The package is downloaded. Now I'm going to extract the Wonder CMS package by using unzip command. The package is extracted. Now move Wonder CMS master directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and permissions of Wonder directory. Now set the permission. Configure the virtual host for access the Wonder CMS. Here I have to enter some lines to wonder.conf file. Quit and save the file. Now disable the default site access. Now enable the site access for Wonder CMS. Now enable the rewrite model. Now restart the Apache service. Now switch your browser, search your host name. This is the welcome page of Wonder CMS. Copy the password. Click here to log in. Paste your password. Click login. This is the dashboard of Wonder CMS. This is the method how to install Wonder CMS on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.